Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace your spark plugs and ignition coil on a 2013 Ford Fusion. So on this Ford Fusion you sometimes would have a cover that goes on here. This cover is missing, and you've got your ignition coils 1, 2, 3, 4. This has got 4 cylinders in it, and so ignition coils, you can replace them all at the same time, or if you're having just a misfire in one, you're going to catch that in your, if you've got a check engine light on, service engine light, and if that's on and it's you're check with the scanner, you'll get an engine code that's going to tell you which cylinder is missing, right? Or you're getting a misfire, being that something is broke down inside the coil pack itself. So you would know which one to replace if you're going to do it that way, or if you're just going to go ahead and replace them all. Depends on how many miles are on the car. To generally, you would just replace them all. But we've got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. That's generally how it goes from the side where the timing chain would be on this side because of the belts and stuff. Okay, so if we've got our engine code coming on and saying that we need to replace this coil pack number 1 is having a misfire, what we would do is we would just unhook this connector here, put it this side. We're going to use a number 8 millimeter ratchet socket wrench. So we've got cylinder 1 here that we're going to replace. We've undone the connector. We've undone this. This is an 8 millimeter. Pull that out. Then you can just go ahead and pull out the whole coil pack, and you take your new one and put it back in, or put it in, press it all the way down, put the bolt back in there, and tighten that up. And that's how you replace your coil pack. Make sure you connect the electrical connector back up, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. So, but if we were going to replace our spark plug, you're going to do the same process of disconnecting this. I guess you don't have to always disconnect that, just makes it easy. So when you're going to go and if you're doing this, you're replacing the coil packs, you would just do it 4 times if you were doing all your coil packs. So yeah, take the bolt out, remove your coil pack. Now we need to take the spark plug out from in there. We've got our spark plug socket. It's the 5/8 socket. Put it down in there. The only difference with the spark plug socket is generally either it's magnet or it has a rubber grommet on there that will pull up the spark plug, right? So just loosen up. It's all loose, then we just remove the spark plug and get a new one to put in. So you take the new one, put it in, tighten it up, and again you would do this 4 times for replacing all the spark plugs. And if you're just doing the spark plugs, you just need to take out the coil pack and take the spark plug out. But if you're doing spark plugs and coil packs, which is not a bad idea, you would just do all of them at the same time and just do it times 4. Now we're just gonna Snug that up. Good and snug, not crazy tight. And you make sure to put the coil pack on. Put the bolt in. It's our 8mm bolt. And then make sure you put the electrical connector back in there. And you would do that 4 times on all cylinders right there as you replace them all. So that's how you replace spark plug and coil pack on your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.